the day. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. We're gonna finally see what this thing is capable of doing. We're gonna jump on the dyno. I'm meeting up with a couple of really awesome guys. Many of you guys know them. The first one is Modern Red Hemi, probably one of the fastest 5.7s on YouTube, and you know, just building an absolute monster. The other one is the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Mac, and I've had a couple of his builds up on the channel. What he's capable of doing with these Hemis are insane. Oh, shit! So if you are, you know, kind of close in the Virginia area, definitely go check him out. So with that being said, guys, we're gonna see if the current fueling system is capable of handling big power. We have the Hellcat injectors in there, we have the Hellcat pump in there, stock RT lines, what it's capable of doing, and then you know, we'll go from there, guys. So the Hellcat injectors are not enough. We got to 660 and we're running lean. The FICs,
they're plug and play injector, stock height, so they'll drop right in, be good for whatever you can throw at them.
Okay.
Eventually your next weak link will be your single pump, but these are going to be good for more than you'll ever make with this car, most likely.
Okay. So when you go E85, you got to get a dual pump system.
Yeah, I don't think so.
So we'll tell your subscribers if they're ever going to pull their 6.4 fuel rail off, half-inch drive, long 14, fits right over. I'm sure you spent some time trying to get those off if you did them. These will actually still idle good. Like I said, I'll put them in the Hellcats and stuff. You got plenty of growth, you know?
Yeah.
And that's what you want.
So really the only limiting factor would be really the fuel lines at this point. Yes. The 525 pump is still half decent, right?
Still solid.
Yeah.
So yep. I do like my own list of cars, and then what people don't understand either is I help out and do stuff like this. I do builds that he brings in between my stuff, so we're pretty busy here constantly.
So guys, we're looking at my run, which peak power is 767 and 685 in torque versus a stock Hellcat, that 2020 Hellcat that jumped on the same dyno. The reason why I'm showing you this is because each dyno is a little bit different. So I kind of want you guys to see the difference in the power curves and whatnot. So if you take a look, the Hellcat is making quite a bit of power before me, and then right around, what RPM is this? 4,000 RPMs. I kind of just 4,500. I kind of sail right past them. You'll see pretty nice sized gap there in the power. 170 horsepower difference between my car and a stock Hellcat. But this is on 12 pounds of boost, guys. Right now, I believe they dialed it back to 10 pounds. So at 10 pounds, I'm at 720, and I believe I was at like 640-ish range in the torque. I would have to double check on that, but these are the peak powers, 93 octane. So I really thought that the dyno day was a huge success. I want to thank Mac. I want to thank Modern Red Hemi. Both of those guys were there for the entire time. keeping me company, helping me out in any way that they possibly could. And, you know, it's hard to find people like that. So right now, this thing is at around 720. And like I said before, the torque is around, you know, 650-ish range. And, you know, the thing that's going to be the problem is that transmission. There was a couple of pulls where you felt the transmission slipping. And even one of them where the transmission bogged down. So I'm gonna have to drive a little bit on the cautious side. Also too, the reason why we're gonna stick with the 10 pounds, which is the, you know, the natural PSI or the natural boost of the 7-pound spring, is because of the fueling. I don't want this thing going lean in wide open throttle pulls. So, you know, we're playing it cautious and careful. I'm likely not gonna be hitting up the drag strip until I do something with the transmission.
Mama, I don't wanna hear you holler, give it up and I'll be on my way.